Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be telling you guys why your Intercom messages are not converting. The link to the Intercom will be in the description. Make sure you guys check that out. Let's dive into the video without wasting any further time. So step 1 is fix generic message using the personalization. The number one reason your messages are flopping is that they sound like they were sent to a report. Customers today expect a tailored experience. When drafting your messages, make sure to insert customer attributes like the first name, company name, or recent activity. Simple hey, their name drastically boosts open and click rates. Now step 2 is adjust your trigger timing. So if you're using the AI bots like Fin AI for the automation and all this stuff, so make sure that you train it, test it, and deploy it according to that specific setup that we have discussed here. Now you have to also set up the AI automations and the workflows like this. And yeah, so now we are talking about the triggers and the timings. So that is a huge conversation killer, blasting users the second they land on your site. Instead of immediate pop-ups, set up a behavioral triggers based on your user intent. Go into the campaign settings and trigger messages only after user has scrolled halfway down a pricing page or spent at least 30 seconds reading an article. Timing is everything. Step 3 is clarifying your CDA. If your customers don't know what to do next, they will just close the message, stop using long paragraphs with hidden links, keep your message short, punchy, and include a single highly visible button or quick reply. Whatever it is, book a demo or read the guide. Make your CTA impossible to miss. So it should be very strong and hookful. You can add anti-hook or hook, whatever suits you best according to your own requirements and the business you are owning. Make sure you optimize it for the mobile users. In 2026, a massive chunk of your audience is reading your messages on their phones. If your intercom chat contains massive images or walls of text, it will look terrible on a mobile screen and ruin your conversation rate. Always preview your messages in a mobile view before hitting send to ensure the layout is clean and responsive. Start the A/B testing as well. So you have to test A/B testing, like one set of paragraphs comparison with the other set of paragraphs sent on a similar time to same set of users. So you will be able to see that what's the difference of the conversion rate among both of these. So that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you like it. If you do, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.